More news coming in. Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra Ajit Pawar has inspected the Shivaji statue crash site. The Deputy Chief Minister has taken stock and visited Sindhudurg, where the statue was placed. Amid outrage, massive outrage over Shivaji statue collapse, Mantris swing into action here. I'm going to go straight across to Vidya for more details on that. Vidya, the current political dispensation in the state of Maharashtra, as also the centre, facing a lot of heat, given the manner in which this much publicized statue collapsed.
Well, it's certainly, Maratha warrior Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj actually holds a very, high pedestal in the hearts of Maharashtrians, and that is one of the reasons why, especially around the corner when the election is just a few months away, this kind of, narrative from both the opposition and the government side trying to protect themselves was expected, and certainly we have seen much controversy happening. In fact, there's a petition also that has been filed in the Bombay High Court which demands that PWD and Naval Dockyard engineers should be made accused. So just about everyone seems to be much interested in trying to see to it that if whoever is is responsible for this incident should be booked. The state government also had set up a committee a panel wherein looking into what really had happened, what was the reason. As if you remember, the Chief Minister had said that there was high wind speed. Around the coastal region, the speed is higher. Did the statue not take into account when it was constructed that there would be high wind speed? So all these things will be looked into by the panel, which is still to give its report. But yes, it is expected that there will be some outcome from this, investigation, the inquiry that is being done soon.
All right, Vidya, I'm going to thank you for getting in those details. We're talking about the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra taking stock of the situation in Sindhudurg, where the Shivaji statue collapsed.